Hello, I will show you how to do PyQT5 doing a GUI application. Most important that you need to do is install some package, which if you do not have those package, and if you do, uninstall it again. And if you don't, if you're a beginner, just go to setting, install PyQT5, which I did right here. Then if I click plus, then go type it PyQT5 right here, and I click it, then I install the package, then I exit out. And if I do it, for example, where's Q? Let's see, let me just take it out of package, and I'll restall it again. Right here. Go take away. Okay, it's no longer here. It was unsuccessfully installed. Then I will do an example. I will show you how to do it. And right here, I did 0.16 version. You can choose any specific version right here, but I would do 0.16 version. And if you're a beginner, I would suggest do 0.16 version. Then click install. Then look, the package QtWidgets installed successfully. I put OK. Oh yeah, I exit out. This is the other window. I put OK, and that is it. Then what I did is type Todo window, which it does is just saying a comment, like basically what is about window. Then I defined window, which this is like a function to the window, and I put QApplication, which it does is that it's just like saying you're doing an application. Then I put window, main window, and if I put anything like anything that you would remember, I put main W, and then I put this one, main W. I would recommend to write window because this show like what you talking about window. And this one is X and Y function. X and Y, this is the width, this is the height. So basically if I did 200, and I did 200 and 200, let's just say the width is 300 to make it equal to the other height too. 300. Let's see. Then I write window.setWindow, needs to be capital, but I'm going to do title right here. Then I click it, then you can name whatever you want. And for this one, I will do is a good name. Let's see, adventure. No, let's say SV. Let's say SV. This is my title. If you want to, we have to show window show. This basically will show the window, which allow it to show. Then we have to do s y s dot exit, which it does is that it exit. exec. We'll wait until the application close, and then we do is that then you can close the application. Then we have to show window. And I click okay, now I have to install right here. I did install. I forgot to add that. Let's see again why it doesn't show up. Stop running. Okay, it does show up right here. This is the window. So I call SV window. Then if I did full, it does show. If I did like this, it show it. So I would do is try to create Then if we continue typing, then put label QT with which right here, then dot QLabel, then put enter, then put window, then enter, then I do next and put label set text. we can change what it say right here. So it will show the label. So if I put any random thing that you want to do, because it is your stuff. Oh, and this one. I'll do happy. Like an example. We can move the label. Move 50. Then stop running. Then you see that it showed the happy 50-50. Then if I do an example 60, let's do something like 65. Let's see. You see, it does show up. Then if we do 100, like an example, it does show up in them, kind of. So you need to just like estimate it. That's what I did. And maybe the next video I will show you how to create QT more depth to show a video how to do more advanced for this, for your program, which I did how to create, which I did this one, Tinker using chatbot, which I did. So which I did for this one is that basically I did kind of similar. It's kind of similar but different. It's more like using Tinker, and instead this one using window, instead using PyQT5. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, I'll write any comment and I will respond to you more.